Stop before you waste another hour making one AI video. Watch what happens when I press this single button. That's 47 videos. One click, zero manual work. And by the time this video is over, you'll have the exact system to do the same thing. But here's the part that's going to mess with your head. Most people with access to this tool have no idea it can do this. Today, that changes. What is up? Welcome to Publish to Profit, the channel where we build real passive income systems using AI, automation, and smart publishing strategies. I'm Chris, and today we are going deep on Google's Veo 3, specifically how to use it, not the way everyone else is using it. We're talking bulk video creation, an automated content factory, a system where you build an entire month of YouTube content in a single afternoon, without recording your face, without writing every prompt manually, and without spending 72 hours in an editing software. Here's what you're getting today: the exact tool, the exact setup, the exact niche that's working right now, and a full walkthrough from zero to finished video. This is the complete system. Let's go. Let me ask you something. How long did your last AI video take to make? If you've been using Veo 3 or any AI video tool the way most people are using it, you're probably spending 30 to 45 minutes per video, typing your prompt manually, waiting for the render, downloading it, renaming it, starting over. That's not a content system, that's a part-time job. And here's the brutal truth nobody talks about. The creators actually winning with AI video automation? They aren't working harder, they built leverage. They built systems that multiply their effort. So while you're generating video number 2, their system just finished video number 40. The gap between someone who makes 4 videos a month and someone who publishes 40, it isn't talent, it isn't budget, it's this: one automation workflow. And I'm handing it to you right now. The tool that makes this possible is called Autoflow, a browser extension built specifically to automate Google's Veo 3 video generation pipeline. Think about what that actually means. Instead of manually entering one prompt, waiting, downloading, and repeating, Autoflow handles the entire cycle automatically. You load your prompts, hit start, and walk away. It generates, monitors, and downloads every single video in sequence without you touching the keyboard. This is what a real content factory looks like. Here's how to get it set up. It takes about 3 minutes. Step 1, go to Google and search Autoflow Automation for Veo 3. You're looking for the Chrome extension. Install it and pin it to your toolbar. You'll want quick access. Step 2, click the Autoflow icon and connect it to Google's Veo platform. You'll access this through their Flow interface at labs.google. Create your account if you haven't. It's free to start. That's it, you're in. Now let me show you how to actually configure this thing for maximum output. By the way, in a few minutes, I'm going to show you the specific niche strategy I'd use with this system if I was starting from zero today. The numbers on some of these channels are genuinely wild. Keep watching. Now let's get inside Autoflow and configure it correctly. Because the default settings, they're not optimized for bulk creation. Let me show you what to change. First, understand Veo 3's credit system. Free accounts get 100 credits. That's roughly 10 videos. Paid plans give you much more flexibility, and if you're serious about volume, it's worth it. Open Autoflow's settings panel. You'll see 2 generation modes: text to video and image to video. We're using text to video for this workflow. Here are the exact settings you want. Videos per task. Set this to 1. You don't need multiple variations eating your credits. 1 clean output per prompt is what we want. Model selection. Choose Veo 2 Fast. Here's why this matters. It costs only 10 credits per video instead of the higher tier models that can cost 20 or 30. For bulk creation, Veo 2 Fast gives you quality that's more than good enough at half the cost. That doubles your output per dollar. Aspect ratio. This is a strategic decision. If you're building long-form content, landscape. If you're building a shorts channel, and yes, this system works beautifully for shorts, portrait. Auto download. Turn this on. This is non-negotiable. Autoflow will name and save your files in sequential order to a designated folder. That means when it comes to editing, everything is already organized. Generation timing. Set your render window to 5 to 10 seconds per clip. This keeps the queue moving efficiently. Boom! Your factory floor is set up. Now let's fill it. This is where it all comes together. Go to the controls section in Autoflow. You're going to see a prompt input field, and this is where most people stop because they think, I need to write 50 prompts? That's even more work. Nope, that's where ChatGPT comes in. Open ChatGPT alongside your screen. Here's the framework. Tell ChatGPT your topic or source content and ask it to break this into 20 scene-by-scene video prompts optimized for VO3 text-to-video generation. Each prompt should describe one 5 to 8 second cinematic scene. Be specific about lighting, camera angle, and mood. Output in numbered list format. Prompts only, no explanations. ChatGPT will spit out a clean, numbered list of prompts in under 30 seconds. Copy that entire list. Paste it directly into Autoflow's prompt queue. Hit Add to Queue, then hit Start Queue. And now, you wait. But not for long. Autoflow is doing all of it. Entering prompts, initiating renders, monitoring completion, downloading finished files. Your only job right now is to keep watching this video, which, by the way, is exactly what you should be doing. All right, let's talk about what to actually create with this system, because the tool is only as powerful as the strategy behind it. The niche I'm most excited about right now for beginners using AI video automation is animated storytelling. Specifically, public domain folktales, parables, and fables reimagined in cinematic 3D animation style. Here's why this niche is a cheat code. Number 1, the content is evergreen. A video about a folktale from 200 years ago will still get views in 5 years. You're not chasing trends. You're building an asset library. Number 2, there's no copyright risk. Public domain stories are free to use forever. Number 3, the audience is massive. Parents looking for content for kids, students, people who love storytelling and mythology. This content crosses demographics. And number 4, the numbers prove it. I've seen channels in this space with 30 to 40 videos sitting at 100,000 subscribers or more. The retention rates are high because the content is genuinely engaging. Here's the exact workflow. Step 1, find your source story. Google public domain folktales, go to Project Gutenberg, or just ask ChatGPT to write you an original moral fable in the style of Aesop. Step 2, prompt engineering. Copy the story into ChatGPT and say, break this story into 20 scene-by-scene VO3 video prompts. Style, cinematic 3D animation, warm lighting, emotionally expressive characters. Maintain visual consistency across all scenes. Each scene is 5 to 8 seconds. Output numbered prompts only. Step 3, paste into Autoflow and start the queue. That's your video content handled. Now let's talk VoiceOver. For VoiceOver, I'm using Google's Gemini text-to-speech inside AI Studio. And if you haven't tried this yet, prepare to be genuinely impressed. Go to Google AI Studio and find the text-to-speech option. Switch to single speaker mode. Paste your full story script. Choose a voice. I recommend testing 2 or 3 to find one that fits your style. Now here's the detail that separates amateur voiceovers from professional ones. The style instructions field. Don't skip this. Go to ChatGPT and ask, write Gemini voice style instructions for a storytelling narration. Tone, warm, engaging, slightly dramatic. Pacing, measured with natural pauses. Emotional range, expressive, but not over the top. Format for Gemini AI Studio style instructions field. Paste those instructions in, generate your voiceover. The difference is night and day. You go from robotic AI voice to something that sounds like a professional narrator. Download it. You're almost done. By now, Autoflow has downloaded all your rendered video scenes in numbered sequence. Your voiceover is done. This is the assembly step. And honestly, with this setup, it's the easiest part. Open your editor. I personally use CapCut for speed, but this works in Premiere, DaVinci, iMovie, whatever you have. Here's the 5-step assembly. 1. Drop your voiceover onto the timeline first. This is your anchor. 2, import your video files. Because Autoflow named them in sequence, they'll load in order. 3, lay your scenes against the narration. Match key visual moments to emotional beats in the script. 4, add transitions. A simple 0.3-second cross-dissolve between scenes is all you need. Don't overthink it. 5, generate auto captions. CapCut and Premiere both do this automatically. Captions dramatically increase watch time. Do not skip this. If your Veo 3 output has a watermark, either scale the clip by 105% to push the watermark off screen, or add your own channel branding element in that corner. Done. Export, upload, schedule. That's a complete video. I want you to stop for a second and really think about what we just built. In one afternoon, using free and low-cost AI tools, you can generate a full month of polished, publishable video content. That's not hustle. That's leverage. Most creators are stuck in a one-to-one exchange. 1 hour of work equals one piece of content. What we just set up is a one-to-many system. 1 afternoon of setup, 40 videos, months of consistent uploads. Consistent uploads are what YouTube rewards. Algorithms favor channels that publish regularly, and the channels that publish regularly are the ones that compound. More videos, more views, more subscribers, more ad revenue, more opportunity. This isn't magic, it's a system, and now you have it. The only question is, will you use it? If this gave you clarity on how AI video automation actually works, do one thing for me right now. Hit subscribe. I drop new systems, workflows, and passive income strategies every week on this channel. And the next video I'm releasing is going to take everything you learned today to the next level. I personally read every comment. If you have a question about this workflow, drop it below. I'll answer it. And if you want to go deeper on building a full faceless YouTube channel from scratch using AI, check out the link in the description. I put together a complete breakdown there. Now close this tab, open Chrome, and go build something. I'll see you in the next one.